All right, hey guys, we are in San Francisco. We're here for the 2018 Bay Area Maker Faire.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, so we decided just to take a big long road trip, and this was about halfway through. So what you're gonna see is gonna be in the future because we're here on Thursday.
Yeah.
Maker Faire starts tomorrow. But
we are stoked.
But yeah, we're super excited. We came a day early just to see the city and meet some friends that we know that live here and stuff like that. So roll into the montage of San Francisco stuff.
It only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out, but thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension move.
All right, so we're in front of this giant mechanical bear. It's pretty cool.
You make it move with a pedal. It's
Yeah.
pretty neat.
But anyway, so yeah, Jenny learned how to solder.
I did. I just check this out, guys. You can solder these. It's a little light.
So yeah,
Neat.
it's been really cool. What's your favorite part? Let's keep walking.
So far, I think
Speak up.
like it's crazy to see how many kids are out here. Like I saw kids making their own smartwatches, like 3D printing the case and then programming the watch. You want to know what I was doing when I was 17? Like, well, younger than that. Gosh, they're like 15. Not that. So this is really cool.
You don't want to know what I was doing when I was 17. Yeah, lots of robots, lots of 3D printing, a couple of CNC people too, which is really neat.
Yeah. Yep, definitely.
Oh, we did this one thing called the one wheel. It's like a skateboard that's got like one wheel in the middle and it's electric and it's got some sensors in it to know. It's really cool.
Which way you're turning.
But we were really upset because they were like $1,800 each. I thought they'd be more like $500, but hopefully in the next couple of years the price will come down.
Lots of quadcopters out here too.
Oh yeah, lots of like drone racing
There's an
booths and
underwater
stuff.
drone.
Really cool.
They've got a bunch of kids like pedaling on these bikes to power the stage that's in front of them. So
Yeah,
just
the pedal-powered stage.
Cool stuff.
This is really cool. Not so much woodworking or anything, but I don't, it's a cool experience.
Yeah, definitely.
If you make anything at all, it's really easy to get inspired. And
Yeah.
you can just do some cool stuff.
You can appreciate the hobbies. So
Yeah, well, cool. Alright, hey guys, so we're about to watch Bob Claggett and David Picciuto at the DIY, or the content creator stage. It's actually a really cool stage. You got a bunch of YouTubers and stuff, so it's really cool that the Maker Faire is including stuff like that into the program. So we're excited.
We're excited.
Yeah.
Get a crowd here. I'm trying to get more people. You out there. Hi, Davis.
All right, so that's pretty much our trip to the Maker Faire. So if you liked our video, go ahead and hit subscribe. We do 2 project videos and a vlog every week. So check us out.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Birds.